How to fix Dell Chromebook won't turn on. 1. Ensure Chromebook is charging. Info: there are a few reasons why your Chromebook may not be charging, *, the charging cable is faulty. Try using a different charging cable to see if that fixes the problem. *, the charging port is dirty or damaged. Try cleaning the charging port with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. If the charging port is damaged, you may need to have it repaired. *, the battery is faulty. If your Chromebook is old or has been used heavily, the battery may be faulty and need to be replaced. *, there is a problem with the Chromebook's power management system. You can try restarting your Chromebook to see if that fixes the problem. If not, you may need to reset your Chromebook's power management settings. Here, you can try if your Chromebook is not charging. 1. Check the power adapter. Make sure that the power adapter is plugged into a working power outlet and that the charging cable is properly connected to the Chromebook and the power adapter. 2. Try a different power outlet. If you are using a power strip, try plugging the power adapter directly into a wall outlet. 3. Restart your Chromebook. This can sometimes fix minor software glitches that may be preventing your Chromebook from charging. 4. Update your Chromebook's firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause problems with charging. 5. Reset your Chromebook's power management settings. This can sometimes fix problems with the Chromebook's charging system. If you have tried all of the above steps and your Chromebook is still not charging, you may need to contact Google support for further assistance. Here are some additional tips to help prevent your Chromebook from not charging. *, avoid using your Chromebook while it is charging. This can overheat the battery and shorten its lifespan. *, keep your Chromebook's charging port clean and free of debris. *, avoid exposing your Chromebook to extreme temperatures. *, use the original charging cable that came with your Chromebook. By following these tips, you can help to ensure that your Chromebook charges properly and lasts for many years. 2. Exit pre-charge mode on Dell Chromebook. Note: it take up to 30 minutes of charging. 3. Perform a hard reset by unplugging the charger and holding your Chromebook's power button for 30 seconds. 4. Perform a hard restart by pressing and holding the refresh key and power button. 5. For embedded controller users, reset the EC hint, press and hold ESC plus refresh key plus power buttons. 6. Disconnect external devices. 7. Reseat battery connector. 8. Contact customer support and replace the battery if needed.